All right, so we got a Speed Queen here, and I just want to point something out. If you have this dryer and you notice it's not heating, first you want to check your knob. Make sure that the knob is in fact good. You can always pull this one off and put it over here. And once you put it on, you'll know, because you could actually have it on no heat, and once you press start, your dryer's not going to heat. Okay? This knob is damaged, but this dryer actually has two issues. It is not heating, so we're going to open her up and check it. All right, so you have 5/16 screws, and once we take those off, we're going to take a look at the element. We're going to pull the drum out. Don't have to actually. I'm going to actually tilt this on its back. I'm going to test a couple of thermostats. Element is bad. Element is bad on this. Let's check this guy. He's good. He's good. So the part on this is bad. Element. All right, so I gotta back this thing out. Wow, this feels so loose. All right, so closer look, you can see. So I think this element was either grounded. You can see it's totally damaged, so we'll have to cut this off and solder or reattach a new piece to it. We're going to check the timer, see if we're getting power from the timer. So we're going to put our meter read and cut this so we get a good connection. And we're also going to remove this guy as well and put our leads, and we should get 240 volts from both of these. Alright, so I'm going to cut this off first. Alright guys, so we're all hooked up. So now we're going to check to make sure that we're getting power to the element. Obviously the element is bad. Everything else checked out. But I'm going to double check everything once I verify we're getting proper power. I want to make sure that the timer and the motor supplying the voltage they need to be sending to those two wires. Now we're going to turn the machine on. Now if you're doing this, make sure nothing is touching metal, otherwise you will have a knife and a trip breaker. Alright guys, so you see our element is burnt, and I think it's probably was grounded as well. So I will take the entire drum out and replace the element and do a good vacuum on this. So that's what you would do if you're having issues with no heat on your dryer. Speed Queen. Thanks for watching.